Hello everyone. Welcome to the machine learning course. Please get ready. We are about to officially start our class, and I hope you all can gain something.
Hi everyone, welcome to our machine learning class. In this course, we'll be diving into what machine learning is all about, as well as exploring the key concepts and principles related to it. I'll be your instructor for this class, guiding you through the exciting words of machine learning. As we progress through this course, we're going to spend just about 10 minutes or so giving you a quick, broad overview of the machine learning field. We'll be covering a series of topics in this order. First, we start with the concept of machine learning, and followed by the general process of machine learning. Then we move on to data pre-processing, and finally, we discuss how to evaluate the effectiveness of machine learning. First, we're going to explore the exciting words of artificial intelligence, technology which has been rapidly developing and widely used in recent years, leading to a significant impact on our lives. Here we'll be discussing two main topics.
The first is what AI is all about in real life.
And the second is how do AI, or say machine learning, big data and deep learning related to each other. As we dive into the upcoming content, I'll encourage you all to keep the two questions in mind throughout this course. So let's first move on to the AI applications we come across in our daily lives. Nowadays, many phones come with a face unlock feature, which uses face recognition technology to confirm your identities when you put your face in front of the camera, allowing you to access your phone. Similarly, the smart speakers are equipped with speech recognition technology that lets you interact with the device using your voice. You can simply tell it to play music, check the weather, or make a call, and it will understand your command and execute the corresponding operation. On the other hand, the fingerprint recognition technology is commonly found in phones and laptops to provide secure access to the device. All you need to do is place your finger on the fingerprint sensors and it will unlock the device after confirming your identity. Lastly, autonomous driving technology has made its way into the automotive industry, allowing the cars to drive themselves. Just switch to autonomous driving mode, and the car will utilize various sensors and recognition technologies to perceive its surroundings and navigate on its own. You can kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride without worrying about the steering or braking. Many beginners may have confusion about the concept of artificial intelligence, big data, and deep learning. Here we briefly explain the differences among them. So big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence are three related but distinct concepts. The big data refers to really huge amounts of data that are generated by various sources such as sensors, social media, and web browsers. Machine learning is a branch of AI that uses algorithms to train computer systems to learn from data and improve performance. And AI is a broader concept that refers to computer system that processes human-like intelligence. In practice, these three concepts are closely related. Big data provides the data for machine learning, which can build more accurate and intelligent models, and ultimately enable data applications. So they're interconnected, but each has its own unique characteristics and research directions. Machine learning is basically about learning from practice or experience. To explain it simply, a fall into a pit, a gain in your weight. The definition of machine learning is that if a program is performed a task T and the outcome P improves with experience C, then it can be said that the program is capable of learning from experience. In other words, the more experience a program has, the better it becomes at performing a task. Let's first take a look at the different steps involved in machine learning. First, we need to collect relevant samples, which can come from searching data or question back. Once we have our samples, we need to extract the features, which is the process of identifying important characteristics or attributes of the data. These features then need to be converted into data, which usually involves standardizing the data on a scale of 0 to e or negative e to positive e, in order to simplify the complex problem. Next, we train the model using standardized data, and once the model has been trained, we can use it to predict new instances or outcomes. This is similar to taking an exam, where the model uses the information it has learned to provide answers to new questions. So to sum it up, the process of machine learning involves collecting relevant data, extracting features, standardizing the data, training the model, and then using it to predict new outcomes.